like the brown thing.
It says something. Stop requesting? Backwards? Is that what it says?
I don't know. Something someone wrote in.
Call request.
Oh boy.
Look at that fan. What?
Well, cockeyed there. I'm not a fan. No capacity. Holy shit. Oh my.
Wakey.
For real. Fan don't do a damn thing anyway.
Why is it like that? Oh, you can adjust it. But it's just kind of hanging.
I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, it's just screwed up. I think it's going to be a nice hard stop when we get to Ol. That's not bad.
On the way up, it's crazy.
Yeah, right.
Go to one.
Oh, God.
Huh, that's weird.
You gotta push it again. Ugh. Anyway. How's these again? Oh my.